Most people get this wrong. They think Sure Advance is just another payday or buy now, pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access, flexible payment plans, and optional budgeting tools into one platform. When used wisely, it can help cover short-term expenses without creating long-term debt. Here's how Sure Advance works. You can access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. Eligible purchases can also be split into smaller installments over a few weeks. Instead of interest, Sure Advance charges a flat, predictable fee per advance or transaction, making it easier to budget. Additional tools like dashboards, repayment reminders, and spending alerts help you track cash flow and avoid surprises. The downside, overusing Sure Advance can get costly. Frequent advances or missed payments add up quickly, and relying heavily on the app may hide poor financial habits. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only borrow what you can repay on time. 2. Set reminders for all repayments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on advances. Who should use Sure Advance? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. If your income is irregular or repayment discipline is weak, Sure Advance may cost more than it saves. In conclusion, Sure Advance in 2026 is a useful tool, but only when used responsibly. Track fees, stick to repayment schedules, and treat it as a temporary aid rather than a permanent solution. Subscribe for more honest financial reviews and practical money tips.